Hello, everybody, and welcome to Intelligent Studios. Today, we'll walk you through our company's house integration with Monday.com to access your live business data within your workspace. First of all, you need to install the application. You can install the application through Monday Marketplace, searching for company's house integration, or through our website, intelligentstudios.com/company's house integration. Then click add to monday.com and proceed to installation. Once you install the app, you need to add integration recipe. You can do that through Integration Center, search for Company's House, choose Company's House, and then choose any integration recipe. So for example, this one. When company number change, sync company name to item name, and status to status column and address to address column. Then create the automation, integration. And once you create the integration, you can use the integration. So add a new client, basically the new row, and then fill in company number. Once you fill company number, the data are pulled from our company's house, and you can enjoy your integration. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in another video.